Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about computer networks. A computer network is like a big web of connected computers and other devices that can share information and resources with each other. Just as people use roads and highways to connect different places, computers use networks to connect and communicate with each other. These networks can be small, like those we have at home to connect our computers and smartphones. Or they can be huge, like the internet, which connects billions of devices all around the world. In a computer network, devices are linked together using cables, wireless connections, or a combination of both. They can share things like files, printers, and internet connections, making it easier for people to work together and access information from different places. Computer networks also enable activities like online gaming, video streaming, and social media, allowing us to connect and interact with others across great distances. Computer networks can be categorized into different types, such as local area networks and wide area networks, depending on their size and scope. They also require robust security measures to protect the data and resources being shared. Overall, computer networks play a crucial role in our modern world, enabling communication, collaboration, and access to information on a global scale. So, that's all for this lesson. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.